Kids are playing ball. There's a soccer field out there. Bells. Lots of kids, maybe Chase's age. That's a basketball area. Balls. That robotics technology place was really cool. I didn't see that at Gryffindor for Alaska. Beckendorf, whatever it is. What? It's like their water filtration system there. That's cool. Art class for grade 1 through 5. Oh, they've got their schmucks.
We have 4 fountains too. Okay. This is so we're getting ready for a big festival of arts in December that we do. So we do a big installation this year. We're celebrating Indonesia. So the first graders are working on animals from Indonesia. So they've been doing collage. These are a collage based on their original work. And then second grade is doing plants and animals and flowers. I think there's some over there. And then third grade is doing insects. So they have insects over here. Then fourth grade is doing collaboration, play and place, like celebrating Indonesia. And then the fifth graders, their work is all about style. So right now they're working on, so part of our installation, there's 28 butterflies. There'll be wood, and so they'll be suspended from the central, the covered area. We do a big, I can show you from last year.
They're making butterflies.
So
Out of wood.
In the covered area of this is in front of the cafeteria. Facilities builds a giant structure, and then we are also doing a UV room. So the UV room this year will have insects and plants from Indonesia. And then last year inside this installation, we did Under the Sea. So the whole inside of the installation was fish, and we were celebrating the oceans of Indonesia. So this year, on the inside of the installation, when you walk in, it's all black and white. So the fifth graders have been doing, they did trees, they've done these big insects. So when you walk in, it'll all be black and white, and then big contrast, and then the installation of insects. And then on the outside, it will be all colored. So so the first graders yesterday were working on big butterflies. So these are drawn by the fifth graders and then painted by the first graders. So these are some they worked on. And then the third graders also did, they're all hidden under here, but they did, their work is about how does the process change. So they did drawings of insects from Indonesia, and then they painted them, and then so they could do color, or they did color, either realistic or creative, and then they made 3D sculptures of them. So it's December 10th. So yeah,
we should really come.
Please come. It's pretty cool. And then the second graders because we were doing media studies, so they did watercolor, wet on wet, tape resist, and different things. They cut out their experimentation, and then they made a tree.
Ah.
So we have like trees, and it's all inspired by Indonesia. Fourth grade's doing more collaboration. Hi, how are you? What grade are you in?
I think she's going to
Grade
be in
one.
grade 1.
Grade 1. So grade 1 yesterday painted giant butterflies. That's what they were working on yesterday. And then they made some collages of animals. Those are they're photocopies of the animals that they did. I still have their originals. They've done painting and lots of different things. Do you like art?